tutorial. Now this is not a hard trick to do. You will see that you will just have to practice it a little bit, but in the end you will get it because it's not so hard to do. So let's get into the details. Now this would be the gripping position. Your thumb is going on the left corner of the deck. Your index finger is on the top, and your middle finger, ring finger, and the pinky on the right side of the deck. Alright, so the first step, you will have to slide the card from above like this to be able to contact the card underneath. Now there are two ways to do this. First way is when you put your hand above, slide your hand forward, but what I like to do is to put my hand above and to slide the hand underneath backwards, because normally when you have spectators, they are tending to look at the hand from above. So I don't know, you can do it however you like. Anyway, the main idea is to slide the card, the first card, a little bit, so you will be able to contact the card underneath. Alright, now the next step would be to contact this card over here with this area of your palm, and you will have to pull it from the deck like this until you feel it snapping. You will feel this snap. Alright, so you are in this position, your hand is above, and as you can see, the card is over here. Alright, so now when you are in this position, all what's left to do is to get your hand back with the card, of course. So you are having the card here, the switch is half done, and now when you are having your deck fully covered by the hand, you will just have to push this card back into the deck like this. Alright, and that's the change. So one more time, you go with your hand above the deck, you slide your hand forward, or if you are using the hand below, you slide your hand backwards to uncover this card over here. Now contact the deck with this area of the palm, pull it from the deck until you feel it snap, get back, and then with this finger, with your index finger, push the card back into the deck, and the change is done. Alright, now you will want to be a little bit careful about the angle. I will recommend you to do it like something like this in the front of the spectator, so when you are covering the deck you have all of it covered. Because for example, if you're doing it like this from the side, let's say you have more spectators and some of them are on your right side, they will see that something's happening here with the cards. Alright, so what you want to do is, if you have more than one spectator, make sure they are on your left side, because as you can see, you cannot see anything right here, and from above also not able to see anything. Alright, so just don't put your spectators on your right side. So if there is any move in this video that you have to learn, make sure you check out the description below, because I'm having links with tutorials for every move that you have to know to be able to perform the trick you just saw. Alright, and also make sure you just don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That helps me a lot. Thanks.